We're loading up, we're going to... All right, Josh, Maui, it looks like my bike came in. What up, CROOKS MOTO crew? Good morning. Here with the boys, Josh, Maui. We're checking out the solar eclipse that's happening right now. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it.
The name of this chopper show, the Solar Eclipse Chopper Show?
I don't know, but it probably should be.
It should be. If you have a solar eclipse during a chopper show.
Yeah, guys, so after this, we're loading up. We're going to a chopper show today at Desert Harley, and there's gonna be some custom pinstripers there and doing some cool stuff. Choppers, baggers, I think like Dynas and stuff too.
Let's see if we can get you guys through.
Let's see if we can see the eclipse, dude.
I don't think so. I like the attempt though.
Anyways, guys, should be a good vlog.
Yeah, dude.
All right, CROOKS MOTO crew, we're gonna freaking switch to vlog mode.
Get up.
Guys, we got the bike in the show officially. We're here. All sorts of cool bikes. See the chop? Yeah. Yo guys, hopefully you're enjoying the vlog. Be sure to click like and be sure to subscribe for more. And if you're local and you were here or you weren't here, drop a comment, say what's up, introduce yourself. the front right here. All the dotty shit. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, we're gathering up right now for the announcement of the bike show and see who won. Fingers crossed the Sporty did well. And we're hoping Josh wins the big twin. I think he's going to.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think he's going to.
Nor do I care.
I have confirmed 2 votes.
2's not 0.
2 is not 0.
Even if there are voting for each other.
Yeah, 2 is not 0. If you guys are enjoying the vlog, be sure to drop a like and be sure to check out crooksmoto.com. Get yourself a Rip and Reaper t-shirt. They're sick. Oh, it's in here.
Harley wins Sportster.
Yeah.
We have 2 awards for Haas Carver.
Best in show at Big Twin. Rewards go to Haas Carver.
All right, guys, we did not win. All right, Josh, Maui, it looks like my bike came in 5th place. 5th? But yeah, 5th place, guys. Well, hey, it was in a chopper show, so that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, get riding back home. Well, CROOKS MOTO crew, we went to the Harley-Davidson chopper pinstripe show today. That was tons of fun.
Yeah.
The chopper made it to the show, which is cool.
Yeah.
It's first show that it actually rode to successfully. It wasn't really a hardtail chopper kind of scene. It was the only hardtail there, so.
A couple of custom like performance baggers, one like
baggers?
$80,000 big wheel bagger,
Yeah.
one hardtail chopper, a whole bunch of in-betweens, and one super sick Dyna Y-Glide nobody voted for. I don't know why.
Yeah.
The best bike of show didn't even get entered in. This guy's.
True.
So they had no idea what they would have had going against it.
Well, all right, guys, that's gonna end the vlog for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out CROOKS MOTO. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Josh, hit him with the wise words, dude.
If you forget to tie your shoe, I don't know, I'm retarded.
All right. Peace.